In today's video, I'll show you how to play YouTube videos in the background, even if your screen is locked. Now, this is useful if you want to listen to music, podcasts, or other audio content without draining your battery or interrupting your workflow. However, this is not available by default on most devices. Let's get started. On your Android device, open Chrome browser and go to YouTube. From the top right corner, select the three dots, and from the menu, select Desktop Site. Now play the video, and then tap the home button to minimize the browser. The video will pause. Now swipe down from the top, then tap Play from the notification menu. Now the YouTube video will keep playing in the background even if I open other apps or if I lock my screen. To do this on your iPhone device, install Google Chrome browser from your App Store, launch the browser and go to YouTube. Tap the three dots at the lower right corner and click on Request Desktop. Now select a video from the list and play it. Swipe down from the bottom to minimize the browser, and now YouTube should play in the background even if you open other apps or if you lock your screen. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please consider subscribing and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.